Because I know you will sexualize them. That's why I didn't cut them. Now, we will go to the description. What do they do? Do you know what they do? Do you know what do they do? Of course not. That's why I am here. Great Steve Carl, a great handsome inventor. Now, what they do is they can help you do your work. Like, what do you do? Come on, don't be shy, say it out. Does it know? How about you? This is the leader. How about you? None, you. Now, this can help you do household chores. Because they do your chores so smoothly that you will Yes.
Perfect abs.
Now, these types of robots has personalities, just like us humans.
But if you abuse them, will they take over the world?
No.
Christian page. Human ako.
I think them to self-destruct themselves. Rather than taking over the world, no, they will commit suicide by themselves. Can it reproduce? No, of course. That's all of it. Thank you so much.